Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths class. Today we have come to the end of the triangle chapter, basing on inequalities of a triangle in a triangle. Two more theorems. Let me explain you. Your first theorem is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Your first theorem is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Greater than the third side. Any two sides. Suppose ABC is a triangle. AB plus AC is greater than BC, or AB plus BC is greater than AC, or AC plus BC is greater than AB. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. How to prove it? Okay. What is given is simply ABC is a triangle given. ABC is a triangle given. You have to prove that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Today I will show you AB plus AC is greater than BC. Okay, one example I will give you. Construction step is required here. What you have to construct is produce BA to D such that AD is equal to AC. Then join CD. Okay, produce BA to D such that AD is equal to AC. Then join CD. Join CD. Okay. Let us have proof. First let me explain you how to prove it. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to angle ACD because AD is equal to AC. Okay, if these two sides are equal, you see angle BCD is complete angle. BCD is greater than angle ACD. That means angle BCD is greater than angle BDC. Already you have learned that a triangle greater, the side opposite to greater angle is greater. Then BD will be greater than BC because complete angle is greater than this. For this complete angle, BD is the opposite side. For this angle, BC is the opposite side. So BD is greater than BC means BD is having BA plus AD, but AD is equal to AC. So BA plus AC is greater than BC. Understood? Okay, let me explain you clearly by doing. Okay. In triangle ACD, AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC we have taken. That means angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. This equal to this. Now, angle BCD is greater than angle ACD because angle BCD, the complete angle, ACD is part of angle BCD. Angle BCD is greater than angle ACD means I can write angle BCD is greater than angle ADC. ADC or BDC, any problem? Because in place of ACD I have written ADC. In place of ADC I wrote BDC. So angle BCD is greater than angle ADC. This is greater than this. Opposite to this is BD, that implies BD is greater than opposite to this is BC, because you have learned that the greater angle has greater side opposite to it. Greater side opposite to it. Okay. Now BD is the sum of AB plus AD. So AB plus AD is greater than BC, and AB but AD is equal to AC. So AB plus AD is greater than AB plus AC. AD is equal to AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC. That is what we have to proved. Okay. Now, let us have one more theorem, that is, of all the line segments that are drawn to a line segment from a point not lying on this, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Okay? We have come to the end of this chapter. Last theorem, last part of triangle chapter, that is, of all the line segments that are drawn from a point, of all the line segments that are drawn from a point to a line, the perpendicular is the shortest. The perpendicular is the shortest. Okay? Suppose this is a line. This is point P. I have drawn a PQ perpendicular to this line. Let me name it as A, B. Okay. A perpendicular PQ is drawn to this line AB, and you have to show that perpendicular is shorter than any other line segment drawn from a point to this line. That means PQ is smaller than PB. How to prove it? What is given is P is the given point outside the line, AB is a line, P is a point outside the line. Okay, you have to prove that PQ is smaller than PB. How to prove it? How to prove it? PQ is perpendicular to AB means angle PQB is 90 degree. PQ is perpendicular to AB. That implies angle PQB is 90 degree. Angle PQB is 90 degree. If in a triangle one angle is 90 degree, other two angles are smaller than 90 degree because sum of two remaining angles is equal to 90 degree. So, we can say angle PBQ is smaller than angle PQB because sum of this and this will be 90 degree, because angle PBQ plus angle BPQ is 90 degree. Now, you have learned now, greater side has a greater angle opposite to it, or greater angle has a greater side opposite to it. Angle PBQ is smaller, opposite to PBQ is PQ is smaller. PB is angle PQB is greater, opposite to PQB is PB. So PQ is greater, smaller than PB. So from this we can prove that of all the line segments that are drawn from a point to a line, always the perpendicular is the shortest. Okay? So with this we have come to the end of chapter triangles. Please make the concept clear, children, so that you will be able to solve the sums very easily. All these theorems will be applicable. You have to apply in solving the sums. Thank you.